In this video, we'll share the top 17 things to do in Tuscany. At number 1, we have Piazzale Michelangelo. This renowned square offers breathtaking views of Florence, providing a panorama that you won't forget. It's a popular spot for both tourists and locals, offering a serene space to relax and take in the beauty of the city. At number 2, we have Gallerie degli Uffizi. This famous art museum in Florence is home to a vast collection of priceless art from the Renaissance era. With works from artists like Botticelli, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci, it's a haven for art enthusiasts around the world. At number 3, we have Piazza del Duomo. This historic area is a must-visit, with its stunning cathedral and vibrant atmosphere. It's a hub of activity and culture, where you can immerse yourself in the rich history and architecture of Florence. At number 4, we have Galleria dell'Accademia, another of Florence's renowned art museums. The Galleria dell'Accademia is home to Michelangelo's David, one of the most famous sculptures in the world. The museum also houses a collection of other significant works, making it a must-visit for art lovers. At number 5, we have Duomo Cattedrale di Santa Maria del Fiore. This iconic cathedral is known for its distinctive dome and is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Florence. Its intricate facade and stunning interior make it a must-see for anyone visiting the city. At number 6, we have Piazza della Signoria. This L-shaped square is one of the most significant public spaces in Florence. With its stunning statues, including a copy of Michelangelo's David and the adjacent Palazzo Vecchio, it's a center of political life and history in the city. At number 7, we have Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic structure is known worldwide for its unintended tilt, making it a popular tourist attraction. It's a freestanding bell tower known for its unique architecture and the stunning views it offers of the surrounding area. At number 8, we have Piazza del Campo. Known as one of Europe's greatest medieval squares, it offers a distinctive shell shape and is surrounded by various important structures, including the Palazzo Pubblico and Torre del Mangia. It's a vibrant and essential part of Siena's social and cultural life. At number 9, we have Duomo di Siena. This stunning cathedral is known for its distinctive black and white facade and its impressive interior, which houses works by Donatello, Michelangelo, and Bernini. It's a masterpiece of Italian Romanesque Gothic architecture. At number 10, we have Basilica of Santa Croce, known as the Temple of the Italian Glories. This basilica is the burial place of some of the most illustrious Italians, such as Michelangelo, Galileo, and Machiavelli. Its stunning architecture and historical significance make it a must-visit. At number 11, we have Mercato Centrale. This bustling market offers a variety of fresh, local produce, as well as a range of eateries serving traditional Tuscan food. It's a vibrant and exciting place to explore, offering a taste of the local life and cuisine. At number 12, we have Ponte Vecchio. This medieval stone bridge is one of Florence's most recognizable landmarks. Known for its shops built along it, it's a unique and charming place to explore, offering stunning views of the Arno River. At number 13, we have Campanile di Giotto. This impressive bell tower offers stunning views of Florence. With its distinctive white, red, and green marble facade, it's a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and a must-see landmark in the city. At number 14, we have the Mura di Lucca. These Renaissance walls surrounding the city of Lucca offer a unique and picturesque walk. With its tree-lined pathways, it's a peaceful and beautiful place to explore, offering stunning views of the city and its surroundings. At number 15, we have Piazza dei Miracoli. Known as the Square of Miracles, this area is home to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Pisa Cathedral, and the Pisa Baptistry. With its stunning architecture and historical significance, it's a must-visit when in Tuscany. At number 16, we have Basilica San Miniato al Monte. This stunning church offers some of the best views of Florence. With its beautiful marble facade and impressive interior, it's a significant example of Romanesque architecture in Tuscany. At number 17, we have Cupola del Brunelleschi. This iconic red dome is a symbol of Florence and offers stunning views of the city. It's a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture and engineering, making it a must-see for anyone visiting the city. So that sums up my top 17 things to do in Tuscany. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.